Bacon.
Bacon, bacon, bacon,
Bacon.
So while the bacon is cooking, I'm gonna just go over some of the fresh stuff that we got. That's going to go into the BLT, and it's going to be kind of like not your old school mom's BLT. It's gonna be BLT kicked up a notch. So we got freshly baked sourdough bread, thinly sliced. That's looks so yummy. So we got some frisee. Got some frisee from the Williamsburg Farmers Market out in Brooklyn. We got some fresh tomatoes from there as well. And over here, I got a little spread of different kind of sprouts. I guess this is a broccoli sprout. This is a red cabbage sprout, and this is a radish sprout. I got these from my good friend Jerry out in Brooklyn. He lives in Borough Park, Brooklyn. No, he doesn't. Somewhere. It's next to Borough Park, Brooklyn. But he grows them, I don't know, in his backyard somewhere. He has a little apartment, but he grows a lot of different things. He grows these sprouts, and then he grew peppers. I got one of these peppers. These are the sweetest he has, but he gave me a whole bunch of Scotch bonnets and Thai red chili peppers and some other peppers with a lot of heat, which we're not going to put in the sandwich. We got the basics, the mayonnaise, and then we're gonna just put an oil and vinegar in it as well. And we got this vinegar from Wolffer Estates, which is my favorite winery out here in the South Fork of Long Island. It's an aged rosé wine vinegar. That's gonna be yummy. So we're gonna let the bacon cook, and when it's done, we are going to put it all together. Okay guys, we are ready to eat. Everything's put together. But before I take my first bite, I just want to wish you all well wishes. Hope everybody's safe out there. Hope everybody is trying to be or are in good spirits with all the things that are going on in and around the world right now. But love you all, and as I eat this, don't forget to subscribe if you like this content. Definitely hit that bell if you want some notifications on whenever I post. I know I haven't posted a lot lately, but we are back in the swing of things. Basecamp Brooklyn is back in the swing of things, so I'm glad to be back. Send me any comments. Let me know what you want me to make out on the trail, what kind of recipes you want to see. I'd love to hear all your, all your comments, all your questions, and yeah, love you all. This is really, really good. The tartness from the vinegar makes it just perfect. The bread is nice. Make sure you use fresh bread. Fresh bread is always better. All these different greens. The frisee has a little bitterness to it, which is really, really nice. The tomato has a good sweetness to it, so it's well balanced. So, guys, thank you. Bye.